UltraPixel is an innovative architecture designed to generate ultra-high-definition images, capable of producing high-quality, detailed images from a single model, supporting resolutions ranging from 1K to 6K. The implementation in Comfy UI uses the stable cascade model, which may have been forgotten by many friends. It is a transitional model between the SDXL and SD3 models. It can generate text to some extent, but the probability isn't as high as in later models. The images I'm testing here all use a resolution of 5120 by 2560. Taking this image as an example, it's also a creation. If you don't say it, it's almost like a game scene, and this generated image has a similar feel. However, you can tell it's still created by our local model through the transparent hands. The number of parameters in Cascade's model is quite large, so as shown on this panel, it can express various artistic styles. With this innovative architecture, I think it's no longer like itself, but more like a new model. I've always been deeply obsessed with large-scale scenes for a long time because back then, the models couldn't render such results. That's definitely possible now. Back to the workflow. The entire process is very simple. Load the model, and if you're connected to the internet, it will automatically download, then generate to obtain the result. This size, in my opinion, doesn't require further refinement or upscaling. Previously, I shared some nodes that can enable models to generate images beyond the training resolution. However, compared to the UltraPixel combined with Cascade model, they don't perform as well. Also, I saw in the document that it will be extended to other models in the future, such as SDXL and PixArt, etc. This explanation supports ContourNet, but since the results aren't very good, I won't demonstrate it. I think the only way to connect is through one-click prompts. We can get familiar with this model through this one-click prompt. You can try it yourself if you're interested. Navigate to RunningHub, click on AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 1,200 points. Logging in daily will also give you 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.